Today we're looking at an exciting new lens from Canon. The RF 28-70mm f2.8 is a versatile everyday lens that delivers surprisingly high optical quality in an affordable package. This guy could function as a great go-to lens for enthusiasts and burgeoning professionals who are looking to step up from their kit lenses and who want top-notch image quality without jumping to L-series pricing. You're looking at a constant f2.8 aperture with this lens, which helps in low light and, at the further end, gives you smooth bokeh for things like portraits. It's also weather sealed, so you can confidently take it out in less than ideal conditions. We also put the lens's built-in optical stabilization through a few tests, and we're very pleased with the outcome. Now, the lens by itself includes 5.5 stops of image stabilization, and when combined with a camera body with IBIS, this goes up to 7.5 stops. We're able to get sharp shots while walking around our wonderful model / video producer extraordinaire, Sam. We were honestly a little caught off guard by how good this IBIS was, especially if you can keep the lens at the wider end. Now let's talk about the size. At just 3.63 inches long and weighing just 17.46 ounces, this is an insanely portable lens for a full-frame zoom. Despite this, you're getting near L-series level optical quality, which is pretty impressive. Focus breathing is also kept to a minimum here, making this a solid choice for video work as well. Now, as you've been observing already, we took this lens for a spin in downtown New York City and it didn't disappoint. Whether we were shooting wide street scenes or zooming in on details, the image quality held up beautifully in every shot. We had a lot of fun with our brief time with the RF 28-70mm f2.8. It ticks all the boxes of an all-around zoom lens while giving you almost all the benefits of the tried and true 24-70mm. So if you're getting started as a professional and need to step up from a kit lens without blowing your whole budget on an L-series zoom, the 20-70mm is definitely worth a serious look. But what are your thoughts on this lens? Let us know in the comments below. Seriously, we do read them. I'm Nick with B&H. Stay creative.